Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and we have had a winter storm warning basically all week, and it's supposed to be right now at least through Saturday morning at 7 a.m. And as you can see, my roof has got a lot of snow on it. We're supposed to continue to get umpteen inches of snow tonight, and so what I'm going to be doing is knocking this snow off, as well as all these icicles. I will show you a couple of scenes, and then I will show you the end results when I get finished. After that, I'm going to end up having to snow blow everything else again, because I snow blowed this morning, or I cleaned everything out this morning, and it doesn't look like I did anything. We got probably 6 more inches of snow since I did it this morning. Okay guys, I got this done, and when I was here, when I was up front, I did this, but I also did the back. Sorry, this is the pile of snow in front of my porch. I'm gonna have to clean that out. And here is what the back looks like. You know that snow rake is not meant to be able to take everything off just because it's not long enough. You can't reach, but it took off, I'm gonna say it took off a ton. I may be exaggerating, but I'm not sure that I am. This is my back porch. It was pretty well cleaned off. As you can see the rope there for the dog leash. But you look along the bottom there, and there's a bunch of snow. So I took off quite a bit of snow and ice. Anyway, that was my chore for the day. I mean, I already, got rid of a bunch of snow, but now I gotta clean off the porches and get this snow out of here. I'm almost too late. It's starting to snow again. So maybe I'll have to wait till later to snow blow, but we'll see. I'll get as much done as I can. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.